Hey creative people, are you ready to revolutionize the way you create videos? It's Sarah, and today we're diving into something truly special, something that will change the game for content creators everywhere. We're talking about something game-changing for video makers, a tool that will save you time, effort, and maybe even a little bit of sanity. It's InVideo AI. Get ready to meet your new creative partner. Whether you're a total newbie, just starting out on your video creation journey, or a seasoned creator churning out content day after day, this tool is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Prepare to say goodbye to those late nights spent wrestling with complicated software. InVideo AI is like your super smart video assistant, always ready to lend a hand and bring your ideas to life. It uses artificial intelligence, the cutting edge of technology, to turn your ideas into videos, fast. Watch as your concepts transform into engaging content in a matter of minutes. No need for complicated software, no more endless tutorials or frustrating learning curves, or editing skills. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create amazing videos. InVideo AI does the heavy lifting, taking care of all the technical aspects behind the scenes, so you can focus on your story. Let your creativity shine without being bogged down by the complexities of video editing. It's perfect for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by traditional video editing software. Busy creators juggling multiple projects and deadlines, or anyone who needs content like yesterday. We all know that feeling. You can make social media clips, perfect for engaging your audience on any platform, promos that will grab attention and drive results, explainers, whatever you need. The possibilities are truly endless. The best part? It's all about simplicity. InVideo AI is designed with you in mind. No more technical headaches, no more pulling your hair out over complicated settings, or endless searching for footage. Say goodbye to those stock footage rabbit holes. InVideo AI streamlines the process, making video creation faster and more efficient than ever before. So you can focus on creativity, let your imagination run wild and bring your unique vision to life. If video editing ever felt intimidating, like climbing a mountain with no gear, this is your new best friend. It's the helping hand you've been waiting for. Ready to see what it can do? Let's jump in and explore the amazing world of InVideo AI. Let's dive into the features that make video creation a breeze. We're talking about tools designed to save you time and effort, so you can focus on what matters most, your message. First up, we have AI-powered script generation. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with writer's block, or just wants to speed up the content creation process. Just give it a prompt, like sustainable coffee, and it drafts a script for you, complete with engaging scenes and talking points. That's a huge time saver, freeing you from hours of brainstorming and writing. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. Next, let's explore the massive stock media library. Millions of videos, images, and music tracks, all copyright safe and ready to use. No more worrying about licensing issues. Just type what you need and InVideo AI finds it, instantly providing you with a wealth of options to enhance your video. The text-to-video feature is where the magic happens. Paste your script or blog post, and InVideo AI builds a draft video. Stock footage, captions, everything. It's perfect for repurposing content or making quick explainers. The editor is drag and drop simple. Swap footage, tweak text, add your logo, or change colors in seconds. Pre-made templates give your videos a polished look instantly. Customize as much or as little as you want. Tailor each template to perfectly match your brand and vision. The whole process is smooth, fast, and beginner-friendly. You'll be creating professional quality videos in no time, regardless of your experience level. Are you ready to dive into the world of video creation but feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Creating engaging videos doesn't have to be complicated. With InVideo AI, it's surprisingly simple. Here's how to create your first video with our AI-powered platform. First things first, log into your InVideo AI account. Once you're in, find and hit the Create New Project button to kickstart your video journey. Now it's time to describe your video idea. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand your vision and bring it to life. Next, choose the video style and mood that best suits your content. This will help set the tone for your entire video. Input your script into the platform. Don't have a script? No problem. Let the AI generate one for you based on your video idea. With all the information in place, InVideo AI gets to work, analyzing your input and preparing to create your video. The AI then starts building a draft, intelligently selecting stock footage and adding relevant text overlays to match your script and chosen style. Once the draft is ready, take some time to carefully review it. If there are any clips that don't quite fit your vision, easily swap them out with alternative footage from our extensive library. Customize the text to perfection. Change fonts, adjust colors, and fine-tune the visual elements to create a polished and professional look. Don't forget to add your logo to reinforce your brand identity. Enhance your video with the perfect soundtrack by browsing our built-in music library. Want to add a personal touch? Consider adding a voiceover to connect with your audience on a deeper level. You can record your own voiceover directly within the platform. Alternatively, you can leverage our AI voice feature to generate a professional-sounding voiceover in seconds. Once you're completely satisfied with your masterpiece, simply hit the export button. And just like that, your video is ready to be shared with the world. Creating stunning videos has never been easier. Want to make your videos stand out? Here are some quick tips. Be specific with your prompts. Details help the AI nail your vision. Customize templates. Match your brand colors, fonts, and add your logo. Good audio matters. Pick the right music and keep voiceovers clear. Keep videos concise and engaging, especially for social media. Use dynamic visuals and punchy text. Review and trim your video before publishing. A little extra effort makes your content shine. So, why is InVideo AI perfect for beginners? It's easy to use, no experience needed. The AI handles the hard parts, from finding footage to structuring your video. You can go from idea to finished video in minutes. Built-in stock media and music save you time and money. It's empowering, motivating, and fun. You'll build confidence and want to create more. If you felt overwhelmed by video editing, give InVideo AI a try. You might just surprise yourself.